guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, inshallah. I created this makeup look in the nth moment, like you can say the last moment. कल नहीं परसों करवा चौथ होगा और आज मैं makeup tutorial बना रही हूँ. I didn't have any intentions to do so, but here I am, and here is the makeup look. I went all in, like all in. I went red everything. Typically for such a dramatic look I would go for a nude lipstick because that's what I'm comfortable with, but since it's Karwachauth look I went all in. This time I've put eyelashes as well. मेरे हमेशा looks में एक ही question आता है, where are the eyelashes, where are the eyelashes? Eyelashes are missing. You know, the only thing that is missing is eyelashes. So this time I went in totally dramatic, wore the biggest pair of lashes. I don't have Mangal Sutro or anything else that Sola Singar stuff to do the videos. This is my take of it. I'm just doing this for everybody who wanted to see a look, Karwa Chauth look, so I'm just doing it for them. Just FYI, I am a Muslim. I have never celebrated Karwa Chauth. So if I'm hurting anybody's sentiments, I'm really sorry. For me, it's just a way to dress up and show you guys what I would do if it was Karwa Chauth. And here I am. So yes, in case you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and also hit the bell notification button. Without wasting any time, let's get on started.
First up, I'm going to be using Iba's Photo Perfect primer. This is a silicone based primer, perfect if you have large pores. Then I am going in with Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is one of the best foundations ever in the market. It is such a classic and works every single time, even if years have passed. Then I'm going in with the NYX eyeshadow base, primer base, and applying it all over my eyelids. Then I am going to be using Morphe's Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, going in with a light brown shade and applying it on the outer crease area just to give a little bit of color and make the base settle down a bit. Then I'm going in with this dark red shade which has slight bit of shimmer, ever so slight shimmer in it, and applying it just on the outer corners and blending it all the way to the center. Then I'm going with a little bit maroonish brownish shade, purpley shade, just applying it the second part of my lid, I can say, from the outside. With that slightly blended in, I am going in with this black shade, and it is jet black, and I had to be super careful with it. But this black also had tiniest shimmer particles in it, ever so lightly. But then I took a flat brush and blended it all in. Then I took this beautiful shimmer shade which had slight pink reflex in it, and also looked champagne mixed with pink in it, so perfectly matched my eye look. And this is how it looks like for now. On the lower lash line, I just took the same brownie shade, just a slight लेसर टोन ऑफ इट. जो डार्क था उससे थोड़ा सा एक शेड कम मैंने लिया, और थोड़ा सा ब्लैक को मैंने एजेस में भी लगा लिया, एंड सेम ग्लिटर शेड को इनर कॉर्नर्स पे लगा लिया. नाउ आई हैव अप्लाइड मस्कारा, देन अप्लाइड फॉल्सीज. Then I went in with the concealer, which is Elegals concealer, and I am in this shade soft beige. I applied everywhere where I could see pigmentation, and blended it with my beauty blender. The key to good makeup is not in how fancy of products you use, but how patient you are in blending it and believing that everything will work out in the end. Then I'm using Huda's Tantor to, contour my cheeks. I first tried to see if I can blend it with my hands, but I was not getting the look I wanted. So I just applied it everywhere and then used my beauty blender to blend it all in and give me a very beautiful, seamless look. bought these blushes a while ago, not sure from where, but this shade is so beautiful for these heavy dramatic looks. And I will leave a link of this in the I button or in the description box. I have made a detailed review on them. So I'm just blending it with the help of a beauty blender. I just applied one single dot because one dot is more than enough. And then I went in with Mars loose powder ever so lightly, setting it all over my face so that the products don't move. Then I will dust anything excess that I have on my face. Then I am going in with Rimmel London's bronzer, which is a powder bronzer to set the cream bronzer underneath so that it stays put for long. And the areas that you typically contour, I am just doing the same thing. Then I'm going in with this Swiss Beauties blush palette, mixing all the three shades that I could find there, and setting the cream bronzer that I have, sorry, the cream blush that I have put on my face. Now I am setting my entire face with Max Fix Plus. Then I am going to be using the highlighter on slightly dampened face to give it the extra bit of shine and oomph. Applying it on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, which is so big and it always falls under the light. Now I wore the dress and then I matched the shade of the lipstick. This is from Disguise Cosmetics. Then I put my dupatta, which is the bridal dupatta you'll get. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys loved this makeup tutorial as much as I had fun in creating it. If you did, you know the drill. And I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and peace out. Bye.